Integrity for me, it's doing what you say you're going to do. There's more to integrity than that, but that's to me is like, you talk about the elevator speech. It's doing what you say you're going to. If you say you're going to do this, you do it. It's not what you do when people are watching, it's what you do when people aren't watching, right? That's what kind of defines integrity. Hey, if we said we're going to do this, then we're going to do it, regardless of how much it costs us. And that's why we have so many repeat customers. The first time we sell you a car, okay, maybe you're not that impressed with us. Maybe the integrity doesn't shine through. The second time you're like, oh yeah, I remember this is a good experience. Third time, and I think it shows up more and more. The more you deal with this, the more you realize that, yeah, and then the more you deal with this, the more you want to deal with this. I think that's the integrity kind of shows up there. We tell you, hey, your car needs brakes. Well, most of us aren't automotive technicians. We don't really know if it needs brakes or not. So it comes down to, if we keep doing the right thing in the service department, you're going to keep coming back. I think that in the integrity part is more about repeat business than it is about first-time business. The integrity part with the buy shop is not as visible for the customer because a lot of that, other than doing what we tell the customer we're going to do, right? We said we're going to put new parts on the car, we put new parts on the car. We say we're going to get you a rental car or we're going to have the vehicle done in a week, we do those things. That part is important. But then on the back side of the buy shop, there's dealing with the insurance company, giving them all the facts, letting them make their decision, giving the customer all the facts, let them make their decision, being an in-between, not taking a shortcut, doing the right thing all the time. And then that brings people back. So I think the surest sign of whether we have integrity or not is repeat business. And we've been very fortunate over our long existence in the car business to have a lot of repeat business.